Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you all? All are good? So children, before starting with the session, join your hands and get ready for the prayer. Let's start children. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good children. So children, we are going to start with the general awareness subject, that is EVS. Okay, till your last session we have learned the last topic which we have learned in the last session was wild animals, right? We have started learning about animals, and there are three types of animals which is given in your book. Okay, wild animals, pet animals, and domestic animals. And we have already learned about wild animals, and even we have practiced, we have completed the activity page which is given for you all in your general awareness skill sheets book, right? So today we will learn about pet animals. What tell First of all, tell me about wild animals. Wild animals are the animals who live in forest, jungle, right? And pet animals are the animals which we can keep at home, who can stay with us. Okay, पेट एनिमल्स वो एनिमल्स है जो हमारे साथ हमारे घर पे रह सकते हैं. जो एनिमल्स को हम घर पे अपने साथ रखते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं पेट एनिमल्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन, अंडरस्टूड? नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, first I will show you the page which we are going to start with in for the topic pet animals in your general awareness skill sheet book. Okay, why? Because by looking at the pictures of the animals it will be easy for you to understand the topic. Okay children, so I will share the image of the book first and then the page of the topic. So children, this is your general awareness skill sheets book. In this book, open to your page number 73. Okay, see, pet animals. Some animals can be kept at home. They are called as pet animals. Okay, जैसे मैंने बताया आपको, कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो हम घर पे अपने साथ रख सकते हैं, उन्हें हम बोलते हैं पेट एनिमल्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ यू कैन लुक एट द पिक्चर ऑफ द रैबिट ओवर हियर. वाइल्ड एनिमल्स के टॉपिक में मैंने आपको बताया था कि वहाँ पे भी रैबिट का पिक्चर दिया था, और मैंने आपको ये बोला था कि रैबिट भी हम घर पे रखते हैं, टोटॉइस भी हम घर पे रखते हैं, राइट? यस. So over here you can see the picture of the animals which we can keep at home. These animals don't harm us. Okay, हम इन्हें अपने साथ अपने घर पे रख सकते हैं. They can be safe at home. They can live at our home. Now wild animals. Now you will question us, ma'am, wild animals को क्यों हम घर पे नहीं रख सकते हैं? The first thing, wild animals can't stay at home. They need a forest, they need a huge area, they need a greenery. Okay, उनको जो एरिया है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा लगता है, and they need plenty of water, they need greenery, right? And there are some wild animals like lion, tiger, they need flesh to live. जैसे डॉग, कैट, पैरेट, इन लोगों को हम घर पे खाना दे सकते हैं, राइट? बट वाइल्ड एनिमल्स लाइक लायन, टाइगर, इन लोगों को हम घर पे खाना नहीं दे सकते हैं. दे सर्च देयर फूड इन द फॉरेस्ट इटसेल्फ. लायन, टाइगर, ऐसे सारे वाइल्ड एनिमल्स जो उनके फूड होते हैं वो फॉरेस्ट में ही सर्च करते हैं. सो कमिंग बैक टू द टॉपिक पेट एनिमल्स which can be kept at home are called as pet animals. Okay, understood children? Now let's start reading the name of the pet animals on your page number 73. Pet animals. Okay, so children, let's start reading the words. The first picture, guinea pig. Okay, yes, द फर्स्ट पिक्चर जो इस पेज पे दिया है वो है, उसका नाम है गिनी पिग. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ पेट एनिमल. सम पीपल कीप दिस गिनी पिग एट होम एज अ पेट. ओके, देन पैरट, डॉग, मैकाओ, cat and rabbit. Okay, rabbit. So these are the animals which is given for you all in this topic on this page number 73, and these animals are called as pet animals. Why? Because these animals can be kept at home. Okay children, understood? Then come to the next page. On this page you have to do your activity. Page number 74. Match the pet animals with their names. Also trace the names. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, आपको ब्लू लाइन एंड रेड लाइन में एनिमल्स के नाम दिए हुए. ओके, बीच में, and on the left side and right side you can see the pictures. Okay children, जो नाम दिए हैं उसके उसी एनिमल्स के पिक्चर्स आपको दोनों साइड में दिए हैं. पहले आपको क्या करना है, पहले आपको ट्रेसिंग पार्ट कंप्लीट करना है. The names of the animals are given on the tracing dots. First you have to trace on the dots. Okay, पहले आपको ट्रेसिंग करके ये नेम्स कंप्लीट करने हैं, and then you have to match the names with the picture. Understood children? See, I have traced the names of the animals. Okay, in this way you have to trace and then you have to match. Okay, parrot, dog, cat, macaw, rabbit and guinea pig. Okay, now your parents will help you. With your parents help you have to read the words. Okay, parents will help you by reading the words, and then you have to find where is the parrot, where is the dog, where is the cat, and then you have to match the name with the picture. Understood children? In this way you are going to complete this topic, pet animals. Okay children, now take out your book and start with this topic. Thank you. Bye bye.